I'm over here at what is this thing called? Jet World Power Sports. Guess what? Your boy is getting his little toys and things. Nice little Sea-Doos. So I'm getting ready to walk up into here and handle this transaction. How you doing?
How are you doing?
Good. Sam around?
Sure.
I'm doing all this under my business credit. Let y'all see what's happening.
Did you want to add the extended warranty on these guys? Because right now they don't have any warranty.
Yeah.
And it'd be putting 2 years on it.
That's cool. All right, so a little credit hack on a business credit. Here at the spot, getting ready to get these Sea-Doos, jet skis, you know, or my own little personal watercraft, if you will. I went ahead and used my trusty American Express, the Fresco FICO card. 0% interest on this joint, business credit, reports to the credit bureaus, Equifax, as well as Experian. Building a score for the business, building credibility, and since I just financed these jet skis through Synchrony Bank underneath my business, I think those roughly came out to be about like $45,000. So that's going to show a $45,000 loan on my business credit report that I have as another trade reference. And I just came in and I put down $11,000, making sure I added the extended warranty. The other thing that I'm going to do here shortly is I'll wait for like a month or so, and then I'll go ahead and just pay that $45,000 off. And what I'll do is I'll use the company credit card at the same token. You know, so I'll probably come in a month and, you know, pay 15 grand or something like that. And then the following month, come in again and pay another 15 grand and be pretty much done. But I'll still be using the business credit card to do this. So it's a double whammy. I'm building business credit by means of leveraging the business credit card, as well as using the loan that I got for the watercraft, 45K to build business credit. That's reporting. So it's a double whammy. It's the credit hack that I was talking about. So stay tuned to see what your boy is doing and learn the game on the business credit tip, how to build it, how to strategically navigate through it all. You know, before you know it, you got a couple $100,000, $500,000 in business credit or more. We on the road, it's going down.
Trying to test me, but I'm just all about my goals like a I can't hear you.